Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to model a floor in Revit 2022. First, go to Architecture, then Floor, choose Floor Architectural, go to Properties and choose what type you want from this floor. I want Generic. Go to Edit Type, duplicate it, name it whatever you want. Then go to Structure, then Edit, then put the thickness that you want. From here, press on Insert to add thickness or multiple layers. The first one I wanted 0.05, the second one I wanted 0.25. Then press OK, then OK. Go to Rectangle and draw it, then Finish. Go to 3D, and this is our floor. To add material, press on it, go to Edit Type, go to Structure, then Edit, go to Materials, then press in this square and choose the material that you want.